Good morning. Hey everyone, it's Steph here, day number 13 on our journey to a clean home in 21 days. So if you've ever tried the Fly Lady system, you know it's not just about cleaning your house and getting it organized, it's about getting yourself organized too. Today we are gonna add the last item to our daily routines, and it has been my all-time favorite discovery since starting the Fly Lady system 2 years ago, getting my act together, getting my house clean, and just getting organized. And it is the prep for tomorrow. Check your calendar, do whatever you need to do the day before to make the next morning smooth and easy and low stress. Before I started doing this, I would run around in the morning looking for my keys, packing lunches, trying to get my kids dressed, trying to find things, maybe forgetting a diaper bag. It was chaos, it was horrible, and it was probably the worst way to start a day. The other thing I was doing was forgetting appointments all the time. It was chronic and it was embarrassing and frustrating for me. So the two things that I changed is, one, I keep every single thing in my phone, in my calendar. Two, I have a paper calendar that I keep out for my husband and I to reference during the day. It really helps when we're both on the same page, even for things that don't really apply to him, just so he knows what I'm doing with myself and with our kids. We just kind of know what each other is doing. We both use the Google Calendar, we share it, and we both use the paper calendar, and it just helps everything stay organized. The second thing I do is, like I say, get myself ready the night before for the next day. Mornings are tight. You don't have a lot of time, you're groggy, you're sleepy. The last thing you want to do is have to organize your whole day. So do yourself a favor, organize it the night before. So day 13, I'm going to show you what I'm doing to get myself organized for tomorrow. One of the biggest things that has made a difference for me is just checking my calendar the night before, knowing what I have going on the next day, and then getting prepared for it. So tomorrow I know I have plans with a friend to go to the park, and I always need a diaper bag. So I'm going to just pack up all the things I need now so that in the morning, when I'm already crazy busy trying to get my kids dressed and get them fed, I don't have to worry about forgetting anything. Whatever you're doing tomorrow, whether it's going to work, getting your kids to school, going to church, just get ready so that in the morning you don't have to think about it. Another thing a lot of people like to do is set their clothes out for tomorrow. Again, it's just taking out that extra step of having to think about what to wear. I don't like that. I like to choose my clothes in the morning, but I do set my gym clothes out. It helps me get motivated to do my workout first thing. The last thing I like to do is make sure I know exactly where my keys are and hang my purse up. Nothing worse than having to run around looking for those two things in the morning when you're already frazzled. Make sure you're getting the things you need tomorrow ready tonight, make your mornings easier, and then check off everything else you've done. And then what I want you to do is grab your new fresh cleaning schedule. Because it's Sunday, we're going to have to make a new one for this week and transfer over all of the routine items that you are finding super helpful in your life. Don't worry about the things that you're not liking or maybe ones that you're struggling with. Just transfer over the stuff that's working for you. So you can see I didn't transfer everything over, just the things that are working best for me. Thank you so much for joining me on this 21 days to a clean home journey. I know you're going to see a huge difference in your house and in your life. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along to the end of the series and let me know how you're making out with your progress.